What's up YouTube, it's WaveManMike, and today we're going to be talking about dry hair. Alright, so if you have dry hair or you want to avoid having dry hair, then this video is definitely for you. Alright, go ahead and like this video right now because I'm doing this video to help you out and help everybody else out. So why don't you help me while I help you? Go ahead and like the video. Turn your phone to portrait mode. Click the like button. And you know, right beside the like button, there's another button that says subscribe. Click that. You clicked it? Okay. Beside that, there's a notification bell. Turn on the notification bell so you can become a part of the notification gang. If you did all that, now you're set to watch the video. Let's go. Alright, so when you want to keep your hair from being dry, you need to moisturize it. It's that simple. How do you moisturize your hair? With a moisturizer. This is one of the products that I use. It's called Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I like it. It's a natural product, so it doesn't use like the harsh chemicals that greases and stuff use, you know what I mean? It has a long list of ingredients that you can look at, like right there. I don't know if the camera can see that, but yeah, those are the ingredients. I'm not going to sit here and read all of them because it's like a paragraph full of ingredients. So yeah, the main ingredients, however, are coconut and hibiscus. This product, it curls your hair, it makes it shine, makes it nice and silky. But if you add too much, it will add frizz to your hair. Your hair will be very frizzy. So that's why I stopped using this one for a while. The last time I used it was like a week ago. And I started using this one, which is going to be very controversial, but this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Curling Buttercream. It's the kids version. And the reason, what really drew me into this product is the fact that it's anti-frizz. I put it in last night. I put in a lot, and still no frizz. So far, what I've seen is that this works and it does exactly what it says. It's a good product. It adds lots of moisture. It adds some shine and some silkiness. So you can use that product. By the way, that product is natural too. So yeah. The last time I used that one was last night after I did the washing style method. And yeah, it does a pretty good job. When you apply products such as moisturizers, you want to put them in your hair the same way you will brush your hair. So if you brushing your hair like this, get that product and you rub it in your hair like that. Then after you do that, you brush it into your hair. You do a full-on normal brush session, and that's how you apply the product to your hair. I would say to use these products every other day, maybe every 2 days, maybe every 3 days, just because these products are expensive. You know, you could use them every day if you want to, but you're gonna run out quicker. These products ain't cheap, so every other day, every 2 days, every 3 days, you know how the program works. You want to save these products because they're very expensive. Another way to stay healthy and stay on track with, keeping your hair from being dry, keeping it very moisturized, is to drink a lot of water. Here I have this. It was full like 2 days ago, but it's 2.5 gallons of water. Drinking water is very important. Wait, here's another one. This is a whole gallon. So this one's a lot easier. Get a gallon like this, and what you want to do from the beginning of the day to the end of the day, your goal is to drink this whole thing. Drink a gallon of water every single day. So yesterday I finished this gallon, and then I went to a water fountain. You can go to a sink, you go, and you just refill it and then just drink it again the next day. So that's what I do. I drink, well, at least I try to drink at least a gallon a day each day. It's going to keep your hair healthy, your skin healthy, your whole body is just going to be healthy. And when it's healthy, it's not going to be dry and dead looking, because, you know, it's healthy. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to tell you, go ahead, like the video. If you haven't already, like the video. What's taking you so long? Why can't you just like the video? Why can't you just help me out, like the video? You just sit there, scroll through videos that's beneficial for you, and you can't benefit the person who spent their time and energy to make the video. Come on, just like the video. Drop a comment down below. It doesn't matter what your comment is, just something positive. It could be just a simple emoji, it could be just saying what's up. Just drop a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hopefully you're already subscribed, but if you're not, then go ahead and subscribe right now. I'm WaveManMike. Enjoy your day.